Today we'll be doing oxidizing and reducing agents to determine if unknown solutions are oxidizing or reducing agents. So basically we will have solution A, B and C, and we'll carry out experiments on those three solutions to determine A, B and C, to determine if they are oxidizing or reducing agents. So we have 12 test tubes here, droppers, test tube rack, sulfuric acid there, potassium manganate, that's this one here. What else we have? Dichromate. This is dichromate, this is permanganate, and this one is potassium iodide. Yeah, we need to get sodium sulfide. Yeah, nice. So we have all these solutions, so we just have to follow the procedure now. So the first step in the procedure states, carry out the test outline in table 15.1. record your observations in the spaces provided. So what we have here: observations and inferences from the various tests on three unknown solutions A, B and C. So we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have four rows for technically 4 tests. So what I will do, the first thing says add 2 drops of dilute sulfuric acid followed by 3 drops of potassium permanganate solution to 3 test tubes. Record the color of the solution. That will be initial observation. And then to the first tube, 5 drops of solution A, second tube 5 drops of solution B, and then the third tube 5 drops of solution C, and you just record any color changes that you see. Alright, so that will be the first test. Second test, you do the same thing. Sulfuric acid, this is potassium dichromate, and then we have you add 5 drops of solution A, 5 drops of solution B, solution C. Record your observations. Thirdly, potassium iodide, same thing, 3 test tubes, 5 drops of each. You record the observations. And then lastly, 2 drops of sodium sulfide, same thing, A, B and C, 5 drops of each, and you record your observations in the table. Yeah. Alright guys, so first thing first, now normally you're supposed to have on gloves there, but seeing that is dilute sulfuric acid, I will take the chance. It shouldn't do me anything, and I'm not interacting with the chemical. So first thing first, add 2 drops of that's 1, 2 drops of sulfuric acid. That's the 3 test tubes. Alright. Just a little bit. 3 drops with the dropper, with 3 test tubes, and then put that aside, and then we add in it's 2 drops of sulfuric acid followed by 3 drops of potassium manganate. So let me get the potassium manganate. There's the potassium manganate here. So not that. Boom. And we want 3 drops of this. See how nice color it is in my test tube. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 test tube there. 1, 2, 3, and then lastly So that's 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 of them. Until the rest there. Bam. So that's my first 3 test tubes. The second part of the procedure says, now all these 3 are prepped. I now need to move on to my 3 solutions. This is C, this is B, and this is E. So I need to add in 5 drops of each of these into these 3 test tubes. So I'm going to do that now. Now ideally you should use a dropper, but I'm just going to let's pour in a little bit. This is solution A, and you're going to observe what I just put in a little bit. That's 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. Let's pour in a little bit like that. Shake it up a little bit. Now the initial color was, as you can see here, purple. Right, there isn't anything happening. That's for A. Pouring. That's for A. Cover back A. I'm gonna place solution A by my first test tube. Let's do solution B. The second test tube. Initial color is purple. I'm adding in just a little bit, and you clearly could see the color went from purple to colorless there. Purple to colorless. That's the observation for B. And then lastly we have the solution C. This is solution C here. We're gonna put in 5 drops. Now there's a dropper for this one, so I'll just put in 1, 2, 3. That's about 5 drops there. Give it a little shake, and it remained purple. It didn't have any color change. Yeah. So that's the first test. That's the first test we have here, and that's for acidified potassium magnate. So we're moving on now to acidified. Well, acidified means that we added acid to dichromate, right? Potassium dichromate. Here's the acid. Here's sulfuric acid. 2 drops of sulfuric acid, followed by 3 drops of potassium dichromate. So let me organize that now. Let me get that ready. So that's potassium magnate done. Where's my dichromate? This is my dichromate here. So I need to get 3 fresh test tubes. So these test tubes, I'll put them aside. This is for my first test. So I have 3 fresh test tubes here now. There's a little bit of liquid here, and let me empty it out. Alright, basically that's the color there. Acidified potassium dichromate. That's what all of them look like. And this is your respective solutions. So I'm gonna add A to this one, B to this one, and then C to that one. So let's do A first. Give it a little swirl around. No color change for A. You write that down. And let's do B. Five drops. Supposed to be 5 drops. Oh, that's a color change. Yeah. So that looks a little green to me. Yeah, that's green. Dark green. So that's a B. And then lastly we have here solution C. So 5 drops. Wow. Okay. Work out through. No color change. Alright, so we're moving on to potassium iodide. Procedure states 2 drops. 2 drops in each test tube. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. That's potassium iodide. And then we have to add 5 drops again of each. So you should use a dropper. I'm just gonna pour in a little bit. Right, so it's colorless. That's your first observation. And then change to, what is that? What color is that? So that's the color change for. Next we're gonna choose, what's that? We're gonna do B. Colorless. Adding some of, we're adding some of B, so it changed colorless to color. That's brown. Brown or yellow brown. Yeah. And then lastly we're gonna do colorless potassium iodide. This is solution C. Solution C. Shake it with a little shake. And colorless, nothing. Alright, so the last test will be with sodium sulfide. So the procedure says take, I think about 2 drops of that. 1, 2, a little more. Alright, we added the 3 test tubes. And next we take the observation. It's clear, all of them are clear. That's the initial observation, clear. And then we add solution A. 5 drops. I'm just gonna pour in a little bit. And observe the color change. Look at that. Wow. That's a creamy precipitate, creamy solution. That's for A. Let's look at B. Oh, this one changed the color a little bit. This one changed. Oh, so it was colorless, then it changed to yellow, and then it changed back colorless. So I don't know what's happening there. So that's B. And lastly, let's do C. So C. About 5 drops of C. Yeah. But you see, give it a little shake. No color change for C, right? So just to recap, this was the first step. A, B, C. Page 3. Second test. Is that A, B, C? Two tests. Color change A, B, C. And then the last test with sodium sulfide. Here we have A, B, C. Let me hold up a white background so you could see it. Yeah. A, B, C. Yeah. I know the lighting isn't the best, but yeah. So there you have it. Oxidizing and reducing agents lab.